Welcome to this comprehensive guide on structured settlements. We're here to explore the pros and cons of selling your structured settlement, helping you make a well-informed decision. Here's what we'll cover in today's video. We'll start with an introduction to structured settlements. Then, we'll look into the risks of selling, factors to consider, possible alternatives, making the decision, and finally, provide some conclusion and recommendations. Structured settlements provide a dependable income flow that frequently results from a legal settlement after personal injury or accident cases. They are designed to offer financial security over an extended period. When considering selling your structured settlement, it's vital to understand the financial implications. You will typically receive a lump sum that is much smaller than the total payout value of your settlement. This is because the companies that purchase these settlements apply a discount to account for the time value of money and their profit margins. Discounts can be quite considerable, sometimes reaching up to 60%, largely influenced by the specifics of the offer and your situation. There are a few key factors you should consider. First, evaluate your immediate financial needs. How urgent is your requirement for cash? Compare these needs against potential long-term financial impacts. Understand the terms of the offer in detail, especially the discount rate and the total payment you would receive. It's often beneficial to consult a financial advisor in this scenario. Be aware of any legal requirements, such as obtaining court approval, as this is required in most jurisdictions. And finally, consider how selling will impact your long-term financial goals. Let's test your understanding. What is a common requirement in most jurisdictions before selling a structured settlement? Is it financial advisor consultation, court approval, notifying creditors, or a cooling-off period? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and then we'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is court approval. Most jurisdictions require this to ensure that individuals thoroughly understand the implications and to help avoid significant financial losses. If you find yourself in a situation where funds are needed but do not wish to sell your structured settlement, there are a variety of alternatives you may want to consider. Debt consolidation can help reduce interest rates on existing loans. Budget and expense management can assist in covering expenses until your next payment. Financial assistance options, like hardship programs, provide extra support. Lastly, negotiating with creditors can offer payment plan options or reduced payments. Let's recap some key takeaways. It's essential not to rush your decision to sell a structured settlement. Make sure to evaluate all aspects and factors relevant to your situation. Consulting a financial advisor can provide professional insights and help solidify your decision. Understanding long-term implications on your financial health is crucial, as is exploring all available alternatives before deciding. In conclusion, while receiving a lump sum might seem tempting at first, it's important to recognize the financial loss it often leads to. Make sure to understand the full scope of potential costs involved thoroughly. Consider all possible alternatives and make a well-informed decision that's best suited for your personal circumstances and future financial needs. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. If you found this guide informative, please don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you, and see you next time.